Hey everybody, this video is going to show you how to download and use the PlayBuddy app. The first thing you'll want to do is go to playbuddy.com if you're not there already. Click the Download Now button and click Run. Go ahead and follow the prompts. If you'd like to install it in a separate directory, make that change here. Now that the PlayBuddy app is installed, you can access any of our products. The Get More tab is where you'll start. Simply select a buddy of your choice and click the Install button. Once the buddy is installed, you'll see this Launch button. Now that the buddy's been installed, it'll be listed on the Installed tab. Any buddy can be added to your Favorites tab simply by clicking this heart. Now, if you would like to remove it from your Favorites tab, simply click the heart once again. The PlayBuddy app makes finding products very easy. Let's go ahead and close Bowling Buddy and take a look at some of the other features. Return to your Get More tab and search for any buddy of your choice. Let's do Mahjong. As you can see, I haven't typed in the letters completely, but even with these few, I can immediately bring up all the Mahjong bots. This feature also works on the other tabs. Of course, on the Installed tab, nothing is coming up because I haven't installed them yet. Another handy feature of the PlayBuddy app is that you're always notified of the status of any bot at any given time. For example, this new Claire Hart buddy has a status of new. Same with Quinn's Aquarium. Badge bots for Pogo players are also listed. When a buddy is updated, you'll see an update status. You can also arrange this list alphabetically or by game site. And also by status. In regards to status, you can click on any buddy that has a status to see notes that pertain to it. As we can see here, there are no notes associated with Bejeweled 2 slots. However, if we revisit Pogo Bowl, you'll see a note here. Now let's visit the menu items. First, there's Refer a Friend. Next is the Bug Report feature. If you're experiencing any issues, problems, or errors, use this feature to send us a screenshot of the situation. The help icon takes you to our website where you can get immediate answers to almost all of your questions. And finally, the settings menu opens the PlayBuddy app settings. Change these to suit your preferences. And that summarizes the PlayBuddy app.